Hi guys, this is Katja with Creators Image Studio. Today I'm sharing a Christmas project, a Christmas folio that is, a mini folio. And look at these lovely Christmas colors. It is created with basic Grace wassail paper, which apparently is a traditional Christmas beverage. And I'll put the Wikipedia definition in frame right now. And this is a great Christmas gift. You can add a lot of pictures to this, and also it is not too large, so you can fit this easily into your purse to take to your friends and relations and show all your family pictures. Or you can just keep it as a keepsake for yourself and treasure those memories. So let me walk you through this mini folio. Okay, so here we go. So let's look at the front first. I added 2 Prima Marketing flowers and a lot of pine tree die cuts. So branches and leaves and holly leaves here, just to go underneath that. There is a magnetized closure that I will open soon. Added some blings here. And then here, a metal corner and some buttons, and these are from the wassail collection as well. You see a ribbon here, so let's open this up. It's a magnetized closure, as I said, so the ribbon runs over the entire front here. So let's open it up, and let me zoom out a bit. So this is a folio, as I said, and it's meant to hold some pictures. So let's start off here. The first flap contains 2 tags or photo mats. I just used double-sided paper, so that saves on the bulk, and you can write on it, add photos to it. Look at this lovely picture here, and you just tuck them behind the ribbon here. There is a sticker sheet that came with the collection, so here you see a sticker that I backed up with some cardstock. Opening the flap, this is also a magnetized closure there, so opening it up. There is a large photo mat here, also double-sided paper, but you can use cardstock, of course, or simply tuck the picture itself into the tuck spot here. Let me lift that. Here is a photo booklet, so I folded that like this. Also double-sided paper, saving on the bulk there. And you tuck it into this pocket. Now here I did some heat embossing, so let's zoom in for a bit. So it says enjoy the holidays, and you can see that there it is. The glow, the shine, sort of a metal bronze heat embossing there. Very nice. Now you can open this up like this. So here is a huge space to put your pictures. You can put them here and here, or you can leave it as is here. Put them here, do some writing here. Just make use of the paper. I cut it like the pattern would continue on, so you can see how that looks. So that is always an idea. You could also use 2 different papers here, of course, but I love this pattern. Now here is a corner pocket. So I tucked a simply a label into here, but you can add some pictures as well. And then you can fold it to the other side. Now again, some heat embossing. So here it says Holly Jolly. Same bronzy heat embossing there. And here I added a die cut, a Christmas bow, and added some stickles to it. Well, now that we're here, we can do a close-up of this layout here. So there's a lovely Christmas pictures, and then some flowers, some washi tape here, and some enamel dots. Well, these are brads actually. And here are some buttons. These are die cuts. And I use a lot of die cuts to keep it flat, otherwise it wouldn't close as neatly as I would love it to. So here, let's take this out. A little photo booklet, again with the double-sided paper. And here a waterfall. So opening it up and then just a lot of room for pictures. Didn't do anything to it because this is meant to mat with your pictures. So this alone would hold, let me see, 10, 11 pictures. There you go. Closing it up again like that. Now on the right side we start off with a waterfall as well. So again a lovely layout here with a Prima marketing flower, some die cuts, a bread and a metal corner here, and added a nice Dear Santa Christmas label. And again a waterfall, but not as many as the other, so just 7 pictures here. But I also always leave room here, so I don't glue the last one to the page, so room for some extra. Now look at this nice punched border here. So opening up the flap, let me try and keep this in frame. Now this pocket here holds a nice photo mat, double-sided paper, and the die cut here I didn't glue all the way down, so you can tuck your picture underneath it and then glue it down like that. Now here I did some stamping, Fijne Kerst, Merry Christmas, and then I added stickles to the stamp, as you see, so that gives a lovely glittery effect. Opening it up like this. And now I have to keep it in frame because it opens up again, like this. So lots of room for pictures here. And then opening this up to the sides, like that. Is the entire layout. So let me see if I can give you a bit of a close-up there. What you see here is I did some weaving. I wove my tags through the belly bands here. See? So this is a lovely effect. So you just weave them through it. So that is an idea for you. And then here you have a corner pocket. So this is a cardstock corner pocket that I matted. Same goes for the one on the right side here. And I did a free video tutorial on how to mat these triangular shapes. So check that out if you want to do it yourself. I've just added some tags there. And then just closing it up like this. And then the magnet closes it very neatly. And then like that. And then the back. So there you go. Alright, and we're back. So that was my mini folio. I hope you enjoyed this design and liked the idea of it. There is a PDF tutorial for you guys waiting in my Etsy shop. PDF this time, not a video tutorial. I didn't have time to create an actual video course for this. But then again, it is not too complex, I don't think. So yeah, just check it out. There's a link in the description below where you find all of the information. And there are some close-up pictures on my blog as usual. So thank you for watching, guys. Let me know what you think in the comment section. And Merry Christmas. Bye bye.